This patient's presented to us with an area of submental fat that bothers her. So what we're going to use today is the Cool Sculpting Cool Mini to treat this area and really give her that nice profile that she wants. How we can assess for the Cool Sculpting treatment, we use this applicator template. There are two different styles of treatment with the Cool Mini. You can either place it directly under the chin and treat this area here. However, what we found is that a lot of, especially females, have this very narrow jawline where treating them just like so, you would not be able to hold an ideal suction, which is very important with the Cool Sculpting treatment. We've started using a newer technique to where you can actually overlap the area and really get more of a comprehensive treatment of the submental area. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do one treatment on the right side, followed by a treatment of the left side to really get that overlapping. So this Cool Mini applicator actually has a newer technology. The Cool Sculpting has developed with this 3D cup design that allows all of the tissue that's in this applicator to come in contact with cooling panels. So this entire cup is lined with the cooling panels, so it's getting a very nice even treatment. It's also a bit more shallow, so a little bit more comfortable for the patient as well. So what I'm putting on the treatment area prior to hooking up the applicator is just a little bit of ultrasound gel. Cool Sculpting is non-invasive fat reduction using the science of cryolipolysis. So that's just a fancy term for killing fat cells through controlled cooling. So what the scientists found are that the lipids in fat cells are more susceptible to cold than the surrounding tissues. So that's how you can apply an external cooling device and essentially kill the fat cells without damaging anything in between. What happens during the treatment is that the cold permanently injures those fat cells, and then the next 1 to 3 days after treatment, the cells die, and then the next weeks to months, the cells are just processed out through your lymphatics. So it's just natural elimination. So historically, there have been several devices that have come out on the market claiming to be fat reduction devices, fat melting devices, but really until Cool Sculpting, there wasn't anything that was actually truly efficacious in treating fat non-invasively. Prior to this, really the only options patient had were liposuction. About a 20 to 25% reduction in the area treated for both the sculpture and the Cool Sculpting are the results that people can generally expect. There's no downtime. She could feel a bit sore for a few days. She may have a bruise in the area treated that's easily coverable with makeup. There are no activity restrictions following this treatment, so you could come in on your lunch break, resume your normal activities. You could go straight to the gym. There's absolutely no downtime. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions about non-invasive fat reduction, please feel free to give us a call anytime.